I don't think I've ever met a person that doesn't like Italy. The landscape, the architecture, the food, the shopping, and the people. A different experience at every turn. With so much variety in the country, the harder decision is where to go. A top choice is Tuscany, specifically to Borgo Pignano, a sustainable luxury countryside resort close to the medieval town of Volterra. One of the easiest ways to Borgo Pignano is to fly into Florence and drive from there. Borgo Pignano is a restored 750-acre country estate with a variety of different types of accommodations, rooms, suites, maisonettes, and villas. Center of the property is a stunning infinity pool overlooking the Tuscan landscape. Guests can dine on Borgo's homemade or locally sourced cuisine either in the dining room or al fresco. Their charcuterie meats and cheeses are made on site. From sunset onwards, cocktails are served at the outdoor bar. On property, activities include horseback riding, either lessons from their own full-size arena or into the surrounding landscape. Luxuriate with one of the many organic spa treatments. Take an herbal garden tour with Betty, their on-staff trained herbalist, and gather and discover traditional methods of how the resort's natural perfumes, oils, and soaps are made by hand. Visit the on-property vineyard and winery. Then indulge in a wine tasting hosted by their sommelier. Learn how to make homemade pasta or breads in a cooking class. Check out the owner's small Italian car museum and bicycle collection. Or you can stroll, hike, bike, drive in the area, or just relax and breathe in the beautiful surroundings of Tuscany.